Alright guys, so today we are going to look into another CTF challenge by hacking called VulnLawyer. So in this challenge we gonna look about the subdomain brute forcing, directory brute forcing, and some logical works. Okay, so we have our server is running and let's see what is there. I can see there is an image of a few lawyers, I guess, and if I just open this image in next window, what we can see is just a image and it says 403. So I think there is something which is fishy around here. Let's brute force this. So I'm going to use this tool called ffuf. So my command would be ffuf-u https. I'm sorry, there is already https. fuz first hyphen w my word list. Let's see what we get from here. And then I would also do one thing, which is to brute force the subdomains. Let's see what we can get from there. So I'm gonna use this command ffuf https fuzz dot and then remove this. I guess we don't need to add the schema also, and w and this. Okay, so we found around these four directories and see what is going here. Okay, so I think we have the first flag here. Okay, we have the first flag here, and then if I see data.epidote.ctf.io, I think we have the same flag in both subdomains, if I'm not wrong. E78D, E78D. So yeah, we have the same flag from both of the subdomains. So we're gonna, I think we have the most fishy, suspicious subdomain which we are seeing right now is that data.epidote.ctf.io. So we will look into it and see what we can get from here. Okay, so right now we have only the first flag. Sorry. Now we're gonna brute force this also. I don't think there is much left in this, so I'm going to cancel it and then start directory brute forcing over it. Hyphen u a few first mount the proper. Let's see what we can get from here. And so firstly I would look into the main subdomain, main domain. So we have this, it says 403. Let's try some bypasses. uh, no, it does not allow. Okay, let's see about denied. uh, Denied, it says access is denied from your IP address. All right, let's see images. It says 403. Okay, and then we have JS and then we have login. uh, Login. Okay, so it says access is denied from your IP address. So I think we can do the same here also. uh, if we try login here, it says invalid endpoint. Okay, login says denied. If we just go and I think ctf.com. Okay, ctf.com. It might take a minute to just reflect the changes in the worksheet, so we can just wait for it. Right. think if we try to do the same thing over here, let's see what we can see. Will win the case. Access is denied from your IP address. What am I doing wrong? Okay. Let's see what we get from here. We get the users directory, and if we just go and look into the users directory, we get some email addresses and name. I think these are the employees of the company, and also we get the second flag. Okay, so if uh, why I can't see this login page? I'm not getting it right. I think I need to restart my web suite. Sorry for that. I'm just quickly restart my web suite and see what is going on in the requests. Okay, so I think we have it is redirecting us to the uh, where it redirect us. Okay, denied ctfio.com. Okay, I think it might take a minute to reflect the changes. Okay, we are in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to revisit the login page, and it says it denied. So if I just go to the login page, I can't see anything except. Okay, so I think we have this another endpoint called lawyers only. Let's see what we can get from here. So if I just put this, uh, it says lawyers only login. Okay, and we have, I guess, a login page. Okay, so we have this login page, and if I just go over here and put this, all right, so we have this login page, and then we're gonna uh, find what we can get from the from this subdomains that we have brute force. So we get this directory called users, and if I just go over this directory, let's see what we can get. Slash users. All right, so we have emails and usernames, sorry, names and the emails of the employees, I guess, and then we have the second flag also. Okay, so what if I just go and copy this and try to log in with some random passwords? So it says invalid password combination 12345 6. Again, it says invalid email password combination. Let's try some brute forcing. So what I'm going to do is going to this endpoint, mark the password parameter and throw it to the intruder tab, and then select some most common passwords directory, and yeah, so we're gonna start the brute forcing, and let's see what we can find from here. So till now it says 401. Let's try fuzzing with others email also. So let's go with this user email. Okay. I just have to URL encode the email, the @ sign, and then start the attack. Again, I think it's not getting the same exact password. So we're gonna try the next user, and if I just go to this particular email, let's see what we can find. Nothing so far. Okay, so let's continue the same process with other user email. All right, so I think we have find the valid password for this user called Jaskaran Lobi, and let's log in with his credentials. So his password, I guess, is summer, and I just go to this portal and try to log in with his credentials. And yeah, we have the third flag. We are successfully logged into the staff portal. And next we have to do is to gain the, I guess, admin endpoint, right? So, uh, okay, so what we can do from here is we can go to the profile section, and if I just go and check the request traffic, I think we have this endpoint. I think this is responsible for giving the user details on the portal. So if I just try some IDOR here, all right, so we have, okay, so this is, the server is returning much more information than we expected. So it is returning us the password of the requested user also. So what I'm going to do is to, I guess we have to log in with in the admin portal. So I'm going to try one by one and see where we get the admin, who is the admin of the the website. And if I just go and try lawyers only login, we put this email and then copy the password of this user, and okay, and then try to log in. uh, Go to the, I don't think he is the admin of the website. So what I'm gonna do is try another user. Okay, so we have Shane. I think this is the admin user. So I'm just go and try to log in with his credentials and see what we can, is this user is admin or not. Okay. All right. So I think this is the admin, and the user has the privilege to delete the case. So if I just go to the profile and portal, I can just delete the case. So if I just delete the case, all right, so we have the final flag. We are successfully logged as admin and compromise the complete website and delete all the cases. So yeah, this is the CTF challenge that we have solved today. And I know I almost it's a year since I uploaded a last video. So yeah, and so my conclusion to this challenge is to tell you that using that trick, I found the admin user, and then his password was exposed to through the IDOR, and then logged in with his credentials, and we have the admin privileges, and then I proved the full control, and deleted the case, and then yeah, our mission is completed. So what I'm so my thought to this challenge is that the whole challenge shows the common developers mistake. So first is the plain text passwords, and the second one I would say the broken access control, and the third one, which is very most common that I also find nowadays in most bug bounty programs and BDP programs, is no rate limiting at all. So sorry, so I think the developer should imply these fixes and then hash the passwords properly and check the authorization in every request, and apply some rate limit on the login attempts, right? So if you are a developer, protect us from uh, these kind of vulnerabilities, and if you are a hacker, start with recon, watch the traffic and requests carefully, and always test responsibly. Okay, so I think that's it for today's CTF. If you learned something, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me which next CTF I should break next. And yeah, okay, bye bye.